First, you need to collect some data and enter it into Excel. For this tutorial, we counted the number of each color of M&Ms in a sharing size bag. Column A is the M&M color and column B is the number of that color. Once you have the data, you need to calculate some percentages. To do this, divide the number of each color by the total number. So for the first one, hit the equal sign, type 13, hit the backward slash to mark it as division, type 40, and then hit enter. The rest have already been calculated. Next, select all of the percentages and click the percentage button on the home screen tab under the category number. After you have turned your numbers into percents, hold the command key and select your categories in column A. This will simultaneously select both the categories with the matching percentages. Next, click the Charts tab and then click Other. From here, you will select Doughnut. Your chart should now appear in the middle of the screen. Warning: if your categories are colors like ours, then the colors in the chart might not match up with the colors in the legend. For example, the green M&Ms in our chart are blue. To fix this, select a piece of your donut and click it twice. Warning: do not double click it, but click once, then pause for a second and click it again. Then click the Format tab, go to Fill, and click on the drop-down menu. You can now change the color. To add a title to your chart, click the Chart Layout tab and then click on Chart Title. Now select Title above Chart and add your title. We named ours Frequency of M&M Colors. If you'd like to make your chart bigger, you can play with the height and width by hovering your mouse over any of the corners until you see a double-sided arrow. When you click down on this arrow, you can now make the chart bigger or smaller. Now that you made your chart bigger, you might notice that the legend entry is a little too small now. To change this, click on it and then click on the Home tab, and under the font category, you can adjust your font sizes. This is also where you can change the font and the font color. The same goes for the chart title. If you want to be able to see your titles and percentages on your Doughnut chart, click the Chart Layout tab, select Data Labels, and then select Category Name and Percentages. They should now appear on your chart. Warning: if your labels and percentages on the chart are too small, to fix this, go to the Home Screen tab and readjust your font sizes. Once you are happy with your chart, you can go ahead and click File, scroll down to Save As, and type in a title for your work. We have chosen to call ours Doughnut Chart Tutorial. Then save it in any chosen file and hit Save.